I'm an injury law attorney today discussing driver fatigue and hours of service regulations in the commercial trucking industry. A study conducted by the NTSB found that of 107 truck wrecks, 75 of those involved driver fatigue circumstances. There are important hours of service regulations in the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Act that govern and limit the amount of hours commercial truck and commercial vehicle operators can operate in a 24-hour period. These are good regulations because they help reduce accidents and injuries on the highways and interstates. Part 395 of the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Act states two important provisions about the hours of service. 1. Drivers can drive no more than 11 hours after 10 consecutive hours off duty. The second provision sets forth that a company shall not permit a driver to drive after the end of the 14th hour after coming on duty following 10 consecutive hours off duty. But the problem is the more miles truckers drive, the more they generally get paid, and that is the tension in the trucking and commercial driving industry. Regulators should consider having a device on board every truck that follows the operational and hours of service for every truck. But until that day, truck injury lawyers always want to obtain the logbooks, the trip logs, the GPS records if available, fuel records, everything possible to verify the hours that a truck or commercial vehicle operator was actually driving. And we say verify because there's this temptation for drivers to falsify or keep inaccurate trip logs. Some companies turn a blind eye to truckers that are doing this activity because they want to get their goods and products to a customer as quickly as they can, and sometimes they want to avoid the mandates of the hours of service regulations. It's up to the trucking companies to enforce these regulations, and where they don't, truck injury lawyers like ourselves will help enforce and impose responsibility on a truck driver or company that violates federal regulations. If we can help you, please fill out our quick contact form on our website or call our toll-free number. Thank you.